Today's transmission is from the Watchers. Who are the Watchers? They are the elders of the universe, ascended and created masters. They believe in the cosmic law of one. They are benevolent beings, and are of service to others. The Watchers are assigned with the role to monitor younger races to protect them from aggressive races and malevolent beings, who scout the universe, for planets and young civilizations to take advantage of, by control and enslavement. A more detailed video about the Watchers will be created in the future, so you will get to know more about these galactic caretakers of the dimensions. In the meantime, please enjoy this transmission from the Watchers conveyed to Oribel Joy Divine. As always, take only what resonates with you, and leave the rest. And please consider subscribing to this channel, and activate the notification bell to be among the first to see our content.
Greetings, humans of Earth. We are the Watchers. See us as caretakers of this planet. We see everything, we hear everything, and we sense everything. We ask you who are listening to this message, do not go into fear. Fear is your greatest enemy. Instead, release any fear that arises in you each time. Indulge in activities that brings joy to you, and that makes you happy. Be conscious of the energies that you send out in every moment. It is that important. Your energies are important. They either raise the vibration or lower the vibration of yourself and all beings you come in contact with. In fact, it either adds or subtracts from the overall experience of the planet and its inhabitants. Take responsibility of your energy right now, and you would do the planet a whole lot of good. This is your big contribution to the evolution of this planet and the universe. Remain alert to that which you give attention to. Make choices that raise the vibration rather than lower. Because everything is interconnected. This is your greatest lesson on the Earth plane. Realizing that everything is interconnected. Your vibration affects everything. Your choices affect your vibration. Take responsibility for this role you're playing, a divine source in a physical human body, experiencing itself through its true nature. And be joyful as you play this important role. Every being needs to understand the role they play and how to best play it. And each day, connect to Source for your daily guidance. This is our message for humanity today. We are happy to be of service to humanity in this way. We wish for everyone all the blessings of life. Adonai.